Today we're going to be working on our quarter window of our 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. It's stuck in this position right here. It won't go all the way up, but it does go all the way down. And so what we're going to do is we're going to replace this. We're going to take it out, the window and the actuator together. And we're going to then put a new one in. So we're going to show you how to do that right now. First thing we're going to do is take the cover off here. So it just pops right off. And then this rubber piece pops right off. Right there. And then our side piece comes out. Okay. Back here is a clip right there. Just have to pop it out. Okay. See the clip? The clip's right there. That's it again. Speaker cover off. Next, we're going to take this rubber piece off. Okay. And then we're going to have to unbolt two bolts, one here and one here, to this metal guide. And we'll get our socket and ratchet, and we'll do that right now. So I have our 10 millimeter, and we're gonna There are three nuts that you have to take off. One is located right here. Okay, the other one is located underneath your seatbelt right here. And the third one is down here. And it's, so for this, we're going to need our ratchet, our extension, and an 11 millimeter socket. So this is our last one over here. You do not want to drop these. It's very hard to fish them out. Okay, number 3. I almost forgot, but you have to take this off too, because it gives you much more clearance. And it folds, ours folds back. So now that we have that off, maneuver it out. Now, this attaches to your motor. Just pull it out, press in. You press in right here, okay, and it pulls out. Now that we have the window out, we're going to put in a new window that we got at the junkyard or used car parts store. You could order yours online, or you could go to a used car parts store and get your own. We're putting in the window with the glass and the actuator as one piece. Unlike other videos that take them apart, we're doing ours as one piece. We're going to install it right now. It's a lot easier when you have the window all the way up to get it in and out. Match up your holes. Once you get your top holes in, the bottom one just slides in too. All right. Of course, those are 11 millimeters. Just going to tighten these up a little bit. All right. Now that we have them all in, let's give the window a shot. Put our nice has clips right here. Okay, that is in good and tight. It's working good. Let's get all our other parts back on and we'll be done. Let's get this back in. Okay, now that the pin's in there, pop it in. More. There we go. Put our weather stripping in. Look at that. There you go. That's how you work on your quarter window of your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.